Hi, my name is Shri and this is Diagram I Drew. Today we're going to talk about blood vessels and blood in the human body. So basically, blood vessels carry the blood throughout the body. Arteries carry oxygenated blood away from the heart. Arteries branch into smaller vessels called arterioles and then further into tiny capillaries. The veins carry deoxygenated blood back to the heart. The venous capillaries, called venules, drain into bigger veins that carry the deoxygenated blood back to the heart. This is called the systemic circuit. Secondly, in the pulmonary circuit, blood goes to the lungs via a pulmonary artery from the heart. After the oxygenation process in the lungs, the purified blood returns to the heart via pulmonary veins. This is the only part of the circulatory system where an artery carries deoxygenated blood and a vein carries oxygenated blood. Now, let's talk some more about blood. Blood has many functions, such as transportation and defense, which are the main ones. Blood transports nutrients from the gastrointestinal tract, the GIT, oxygen from the lungs, hormones from the endocrine glands, and cellular waste, as well as byproducts, to various organs for removal. In blood, lymphocytes defend the body from microorganisms, and platelets help stop bleeding and with hemostasis. So, the RBC, or the red blood cells, and the WBC, or the white blood cells, are produced in the bone marrow and disintegrated in the spleen. So, blood has many characteristics. Some of the main characteristics include color, viscosity, temperature, and pH levels. The color of blood in the artery is bright red, while the color of blood in the veins is a dusky red. The viscosity or thickness of blood has an impact on blood pressure, or BP. The temperature of human blood is usually 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit or 37 degrees Celsius. That is identical to the body's maximum temperature. Blood temperature can also be around 1 degree higher than that, approximately 100.4 degrees Fahrenheit or 38 degrees Celsius. The pH of blood is 7.4. So in the pH scale, 14 is the most basic, while 0 is the most acidic. The pH scale measures the alkali, or bases, and acidic strength. Secondly, blood contains RBC, or red blood cells, and WBC, or white blood cells. But it also contains platelets, which are thrombocytes, and plasma, which is a fluid. Plasma contains proteins like albumin, globulin, and fibrin. So, there are 4 blood groups I'm sure you've heard of. One of them is A, one of them is B, one of them is AB, and the last one is O. There are positive and negative Rh typing in each of the groups. So what is an Rh typing? So if an Rh antigen is present on the surface of RBC, it's Rh positive. If Rh antigens are not on the surface of RBC, it is Rh negative. Essentially, antigens are any substance that influence the human immune system to produce antibodies that fight against it. For example, a vaccine is an antigen. Back to blood grouping basics. A positive group can only be transfused to A positive, while A negative can be safely transfused to both A positive and A negative. Likewise, both B and AB groups are the same. Uniquely, O positive can be transfused with all positives, and O negative is a universal, you can transfuse it universally. What if mismatched blood is transfused to a person? Due to an antigen-antibody reaction, agglutination, which is the clumping of RBC, occurs, leading to hemolysis, which is the breaking of the RBC cell membrane, releasing hemoglobin. Both clumped RBC and hemoglobin block the arteries, resulting in kidney failure. Oh no. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.